Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Let's begin by mastering movement. Use the left stick to walk or run across the stage. A quick tap of the jump button performs a short hop, while holding it down executes a full hop, reaching higher. Practice moving around the stage, getting a feel for your character's speed and jump height. This foundational understanding of movement is crucial for all subsequent techniques you will learn. Now let's talk about offense. Your standard attacks are performed with the A button, and these can be combined with directional inputs for different effects. Special moves, unique to each character, are executed using the B button, often with a direction. For powerful smash attacks, quickly tilt the left stick in a direction and press A simultaneously. These attacks are your primary way to deal significant damage and launch opponents off the stage. Defense is just as important as offense. Hold down the shield button to block incoming attacks, reducing damage and preventing knockback. While shielding, you can also perform a spot dodge by pressing down or a roll by pressing left or right, allowing you to evade attacks and reposition. If you get launched off the stage, use your character's recovery moves, typically involving jumps and special moves to get back to safety. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in training mode to refine your techniques and explore each character's unique abilities. Experiment with various fighters to discover one or two that truly resonate with your playstyle. Pay attention to character matchups and how different stages can affect gameplay. Remember, every great player started as a beginner, so keep practicing and have fun on your journey to becoming a Smash Bros. Master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.